Yeah.
Huwag ka magalit eh.
Oh, di ba? Di ba? Ikaw naman kayo. Your turn.
Okay, no.
Your turn.
Takot eh. Hindi kaya. Ayan,
Tama
ayan.
sa gagawa niya. Kami, dayami. Kayo nga, pero ito na dyan.
Galing naman eh. Kaya na sa
Doon na kasi may upuan para.
Look at this one. Hey.
Nakuha. Mami, out the run! Ay, dalawang babae, dala sa dalawang bato. Tapos sa likod tayo.
Oh, may alam ka pang ganun.
Lagi may taga-picture ko kanina. Yung magaling eh.
Please!
Come here. Hey.
Sama sila. Mamaya na lang ako mag-
No, you can
Oh, Solo, why you sitting?
Dadas.
Kita na, come here. Only Tito JP. Come here.
Solo, solo.
Kaya mo muna siya. Isa muna picture kaya kasama ko sila.
Sabi mo kasi solo.
Naktago mo sa likod.
Paano ko pinunan? Game na.
Kita na yan, kita.
Kyrie, Dadas, bilis. Bilis.
Go na there, go.
Dadas,
Here you go. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Lots of flower. Yellow. Another yellow flower. The center is a pink one. And there's a fountain over there. Just gorgeous. Only here in Banff, Canada. So gorgeous. Look at the combination of the flowers. Yellow. It's just like a little sunflower. And pink. Got this pink. And not only the pink one. There's a polka dots on it.
Mom, look, there's orange flowers.
It's good for picture taking.
That was so
Kyrie, you might fall. You're gonna fall, Kyrie. Ayan, look at the mountain. Kyrie, sit down properly. You need to be careful, ha?
Because of the
Sa side.
Look at this.
Sige, isa muna dito tapos sa side.
Dan, please.
Dadas!
Please.
So this is the other side. Just walking here. Dad is waiting over there. A big parking lot over there. Look at this, the combination of white and pink. That is so nice. Here at the garden and pond. On the other side is
There's more of it here,
Sa
Dodo.
loob, Marlene, tinan mo. May
oh, maganda nga doon.
Ganda.
That's nice over there, oh. See? Oh my God. Lots of flower, hey?
Yeah, but we can't step on it.
And we cannot pick flowers.
Yeah, only on school.
No, even at school, you're not allowed to pick the flowers. It's only the, what's that? The yellow one?
The dandelion.
Dandelion, yeah, you can pick that. Dandelion, you can pick.
dandelion and the white one, I think.
Yeah.
We also pick. That's only the two flowers we
Look
can
at that. It's so nice, the flower.
Get many.
Yeah.
Mommy,
So many
can't
flowers.
See the ocean.
See?
What? There? See it.
Yes, baby.
Waterfalls.
There's a water pools as well, right?
Waterfalls.
Yeah, 2 water pools. Victoria. This is so huge. White and pink. Hey, stop running. Not on the sand because you're gonna sleep. So relaxing here. Lots of flowers. A beautiful one. Todos! What are you doing there? Huh? You're watching the waterfalls? So Dodo say he's watching the waterfalls right now. He's looking at the waterfalls. And he's just over there. Look at these flowers. It's white and purple. Is it really nice? There's a lots of flower here with a colorful one. That is so nice. Yeah. See? Lots of flowers. Yeah, it's nature. Are you a nature lover, Kyrie?
Yeah.
Yeah, what they call this? A garden. A beautiful garden.
I think
here.
this is a park.
Yeah. I like this color white.
I didn't even get your not the end of the web. But
It's add essence on the garden. See? Hop. We have a small water pools over here.
touch it.
If you can. See, it's just like a beautiful garden. 3 water pools. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Lots.
I need to not step on the flowers.
Huh?
Mommy, you can make
Look at, oh, are you okay, Brian? Look at that.
I need to step on the flowers.
You can touch the flower, but you cannot pick it, okay?
Hulog kayo ha.
Don't pick it.
Relax na.
Just touch.
I need to touch the water.
Look at this. Really nice. A purple flower.
You can touch it.
Yeah, but don't pick it, okay? We're not allowed to pick
The
it.
dandelion.
Yeah, dandelion is just like everywhere. That one you can pick, but this one
Only the
is no.
dandelions.
Yeah. See, nice.
There's so
Nice
many.
one.
Mommy, it's only dandelion.
No, it's not a dandelion, anak. It's just same like dandelion, but it's not.
Nato, mapuntahan ba nato? Uy, sa susunod na sangat ka na kauli makakala ng ganda.
Nandito na yung mga bata. Oh, ganda, oh. This is so nice.
Atras pa. Atras pa sa nahulog.
That's all for today. See, and if you're want to lay down on the grass, they have lots of Bermuda grass here. A very wide Bermuda grass. Look at that. You can play on it. Move your slipper and you can play. That's it for today.
Pero abutan mo ng pagkain yun.
guys.
Lalapit sa'yo yun. Oo. Brile, show to Kyrie.
One more time.
Kyrie, look at Brile. Luwad, Bral.
Akit pa doon.
Pababaw pa.
O yan, bili.
Oh, watch, Bral. Kyrie, watch, Bral. Yun.
Layo ka kay Kyrie, magkakatama ka.
Pag ganyan pa video.
Yeah.
Huwag na magalit eh.
Ayan o, ayan o.
Oh, di ba? Di ba? Ikaw naman, Kyrie. Your turn.
Okay, no,
Your turn. Oh.
Takot eh.
Hindi pa sanay. Hindi pa sanay. Sa kama nagagawa niya. Kami, dayami. Kayo nga'y Bermuda. Ano yung siya?
Galing naman eh. Kaya rin sa akin, Brian.
Good job yung dalawa.
Renggit yung ano. Barbara.
Again. Three up yun. Dadadas kayong tatlo bilis. Race, dadas.
Nak, makatamaan mo yung bata. Nak.
One,
Careful with the baby, ha?
1, 2.
Anak, wait.
Wait.
Dadas, ay Kyrie, here.
One,
O, na yan, game na.
1, 2, 3.
Go!
Go, sumusang.
Parang bola.
Si Dadas.
Madaya.